Hey guys, this session is talk about how to find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. A really nice video. You guys need to watch this. Alright, so I'm taking the example 20 itself. A couple of things to know before I start this session. That 20 can also be written as, alright, 20 can be written as 20.0. No problem. It can be written as 20.00 or 0. 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5. It goes on like that. Right, the value of this number doesn't really change if you have number of zeros after the decimal point. This is the first thing to know. The second thing to know is when I have a decimal, the pairing thing goes really interesting. Okay, so let's say I have 12536.2314. That's a number, and if I have to take the square root of this by division method, I need to pair this number, right? So how does the pairing go in this case? So what I do is this, right, just before the decimal, look at this, I'll start from the right side. Before the decimal, the integer part, I'm starting from the right side as the first pair, the second pair, and the third pair. Alright, after the decimal, I'll start from the left side and go to the right, like that pairing. Let's say you have another one, so it goes like that. So that's the pairing system. Alright, so let me write 20 as 20.000. How many zeros? That is your choice. Okay, and let's go like that. Now, how do you pair it? Before the decimal, I start from here. That is the right hand, and there's only one pair you have. And after the decimal, I'll start from the left side. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs, 4 pairs. If you have 0, 1 more pair. So that is your choice to put number of zeros. So you can take it in pairs itself. So that is the first thing. Okay. So let's erase this. I hope you understood this. This is also there in the next session. Okay. So now let us see how to work with this guy. So what is the first step? I finished the pairing part. Now I need to find the square number which is close to 20. Not more than 20, but close to 20. I can see that the guy is like 16. Yes. 25 is the next perfect square, which is more than 20. I don't want this guy. I want this. That is 16. So how will I work on this? I can write 4 and 4. Yeah, that is 16. Got it. That is 4 is a remainder. And I'll write this 4. Add this guy. That is 8. Good enough. All right. So what do I do next? I need to bring this set down, right? This pair down. But now, since it is in decimals, this decimal will go up because this guy is done. After that is a decimal goes up, and after this it comes down. Good, very simple. Now I need to fill this guy in such a way that if I have 80, all right, whatever I fill here, I should fill here. It means whatever I write here, I should write here. What is that? If I write 1 and 1, I'll get 81, which is very small compared to 400. So let's go with the next trail. 80. All right, if I try 2 here and 2 here, it goes like what? It's 4, and that is 16. Again, a small one. So why don't we go with, let's say this time with 4. So that goes like 4 into 4 is 16, 6 and carried, and 4 is 32 and 30. Right, 32, 33, 336. Yes. All right, good enough. Now can I just try with 8 and let's say 5 here? Okay, let us try. So if I do that, 5 into 5 is 25. 5 goes like that, and 2 carries out, and 5 into 8 is like 40 and 42, and that is like 425, bigger than 400. Not happening. I want something which is less than that. Well, this works. 4 is 16, and that's like 32, and 1 is 36. 336 works. This is what I'm looking for. It means I should fill a 4 here and a 4 here. That goes like 336. And if I take that is like 4 here, and there's like nothing but 6, 6, 4. Good. So that goes 0. Now that's it. I got it. Now what is the next thing? I need to add this 4 to this guy and see what happens. That's like 88. All right. And can I bring this set down? 2 more zeros. Okay. What is the next thing? The next thing is I need to fill this gap now. And this guy. How? The same condition. Whatever I write here should be written here. And the number I write here and the product of these two should be almost close to 6400, but not more than that. So let's say this is what you have. Let's do a couple of trails and check. What I have here is 8 and 8. I need to fill these two guys. So if I put 1 and 1, I'll get 88 or 8, 8, 1, but I need it's like 6,000. 800 is small number. So let's go ahead with the next trail. 8, 8. I need to fill this guy. Can I put 2 there? Let's go with 3 this time. So 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24. Okay, 4 and 2 carried 24 again, and 26 is 2000. But I need something like 6000. So can I increase the number? Well, 8 is there. 3 is not good. So let me take 7 and check. Okay, so what is 7 and 7? 7 and 7 is 49. So 4 carried. What is 7 to 8? It's 56. And now this guy, 56 plus 4 is 60. You get a 0 and 6 carried. So it's 56 again, and that goes like 62. Okay, look at that, 6209, very close to this guy, right? Yes, so I can write a 7 here and a 7 here, and that goes like 6209. Yes, what's happening now? That is 1, that's like 9, that's like 1. Okay, that goes like 0. Fine. So what do you have? After this stage, I will write this 7 back here and add these two guys, like 7 is 14, get 1 here, and that is 9 and 894. And can I take this set again? Yes. All right. So let me continue the problem. Okay. Now what happens now? Right now, I need to fill something here. Now I need to fill something here and here. What is that number? All right, so I need to write, if I write, let's say, if I have 894 into dash, if I write 1 here, I write 1 here. So what happens? It gets 8941. That is it. So what I have is like 19,100, and that guy is like 8,000. So much, right? So can I write 2 and check where it's close? 894. I'm just sticking 2 here and 2 here and checking, right? So 2 into 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Okay, 9 is 18, and 1 and 2 and 1 it's nothing but 18, right? Yeah. 16 and 17, 17884. Okay, this guy is pretty close to this. Yes, so let me write a 2 here and a 2 here, and what you get here is like 17884. Okay, well, subtract this, you will get another number, and this process will continue. It will keep continuing. So I have like an infinite number of values coming up there. Okay, now I call this to be a square root of 20 to what? To 3 decimal points. If you write one more, like 4 decimal points, 5 decimal points, 6 decimal points. So that's the whole logic here now. I hope you understand this. It is all the same thing. The rules are same. Okay, you can find the square root of a non-perfect square. You will not end these numbers. All right, these numbers will keep going on, but it is your choice, or it is asked in the book or the question to you guys to find the square root to 3 decimal points. That's where you stop. 4 decimal points, you got to do 1 more. 5 decimal points, do 1 more. It's like that. I hope you got this.